Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be me just doing a random makeup tutorial. Actually, it's not so random. I'm actually going to be recreating a photo from Milk. If you guys follow him on Instagram, you guys know that his makeup is amazing. He does like face charts, and they're super different, super creative, and it's like a thing for people to recreate. I have makeup on my hat. It's like a thing for people to recreate his like face charts. So that's what I'm going to do. I have done this before, but I haven't done a YouTube video on it. So I'm just going to like just film it and talk about what I'm doing. It's not anything too crazy. Like a lot of his are like super crazy, super intricate. But this one's a little more glamorous, a little more just like, I don't know, a little more easy I would say. But I'll throw the image up right now and show you guys what image I'm talking about. So if you guys want to follow him or like check him out, you guys definitely should. I'm a fan and I'm sure you guys have probably heard of him. He's super popular. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna start with my face. I usually don't do this, but this doesn't really require much eye makeup. So I'm just gonna start by using the MAC Strobe Cream. And I do have fake tan on, so if my hands are looking a little orange or patchy, that's what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. This is going to help my face glow. It's gonna strobe cream, you know the drill. Y'all know what strobing is by now, right? Oh, by the way, guys, I dyed my hair like a blackish blue, like a midnight blue. I don't know if you can tell right now, but yeah. I'm not taking my hat off though, because my hair is crazy. Look at that, makes it nice and glowy. Ugh. When I'm not wearing makeup, like my days when I don't wear makeup, I love putting this all over my face. Alright, now I'm gonna grab this liquid highlighter. This is by The Balm. This is their Mary Luminizer. This is a liquid highlighter by them. It's like the liquid version of the Mary Luminizer. But what I like to do before makeup is put this put this all over like the high points of my face. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this and just put it on the high points of my face. And I'm just gonna grab my finger and just blend that in. You definitely want to make sure this is blended in, or else it's gonna leave a cast on your face. As you can see right here if you look forward. But once you blend it in and kind of like push it into the skin, it'll kind of go away a bit. So right there on the nose, literally anywhere I will usually highlight, I'm just gonna put this. Also, sometimes I will mix this in with my foundation. Actually might do a little bit of that with a darker shade. They do have a darker shade. I might mix a little bit of this in since I am going to use a darker foundation than I normally would. But I love this glow like right in the center of my forehead, my five head. Okay, glow. Ooh! But no, this is beautiful on the skin. It looks like just like your skin's glowing, honestly. Honestly. Alright, now I'm going to use foundation, and I'm going to go ahead with the Double Wear. This is in a darker shade that I normally use. This is Ivory Beige. I usually use Fresco, but I'm going to go ahead in with this. This foundation though smells like paint. I'm not going to lie. But I love this foundation so much that it doesn't matter. For concealer, I'm going to use the Bye Bye Under Eye by Cosmetics. This is in shade medium. I'm just going to tap this under my eyes with my finger, and then I'll blend it out with a beauty blender. This is a pretty thick concealer, so I do recommend using like a beauty blender. I normally don't use beauty blenders, but I definitely will with this. This shade is a little bit pink, I feel like, so I don't know about this shade. It says it's medium. Medium usually medium toned makeup is not pink. It's usually warm toned. Alright, so for contour, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here. This is from the Anastasia Cream Contour Palette. Go ahead and use this shade right here in the middle. Also, I'm going to grab a little bit of the Anastasia Hydrating Oil. I'm going to put that inside of the pan. This is going to make it a little bit more creamy. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit and just plop her in. Just one. Alright, so I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use Patrick's powder by MAC. This is his collab. And this powder, y'all know, if y'all have been watching me lately, I love this powder so freaking much. I'm gonna set the under eyes with the Sigma tapered highlighter brush. So I'm just gonna tap into that and just. I love this powder so much. I'm not the type of person who loves powder because I do have dry skin. And whenever I put powder on, it just makes my skin look cakey and dry. But this shit does not. It literally just makes my skin look matte and like, just so like, just so perfect. And smooth. Oh yes, give it to me. Alright, so once the majority of that's set, I'm going to go ahead with a bigger brush. And I'm going to set the rest of my face. This is by Makeup Addiction. This is their jumbo powder brush. And the reason why I did put all that shimmer underneath my foundation is because I do put powder on my face just to make everything set and look nice and smooth and even. But also, if you look at my face, I do have a lot of powder on, but if you look at my face, it's still a little bit glowy, so it's not like super matte. So that's why I go like an extra glow, because I know I'm going to end up looking matte if I don't put that on there. But it just makes it look more natural. Alright, I'm going to grab the Smashbox Contour Kit, or Contour Palette. I'm going to grab this light shade up here. This has more yellow in it, so it's going to kind of make my under eyes a little bit more brighter and warmer. Since the concealer I put down was a bit pink, just go ahead and add some yellow to it. It's going to help brighten up, and this will add more coverage under my eyes. Do you see how brightening that is? Do you see the difference? Holy shit. Alright, now my face is powdered. I'm going to go ahead with the rest of my face with using powders. And I'm going to use this contour shade by Makeup Geek. This is called Bad Habit. I forgot these are pigmented. Oh. Yeah, these Makeup Geek contours, and they have blushes as well. These are pigmented as fuck. Looks good though. Oh my gosh, I'm so tan. I love it. Alright, for blush, go ahead and use this shade from Makeup Geek as well. This is called Main Squeeze. Alright, so now I'm moving on to highlighter, and I'm actually going to use something a little bit different that I kind of figured would be an amazing highlighter. There's this eyeshadow by Cut Crease. This is called Liquid Metal Eyeshadow, and this is in shade. This is We Are the Champagnes, and I'm actually going to use this for a highlighter. I like swatched it earlier on my hand. I was like, that's so like finely milled. It just looked like it'd be amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it on and see how it looks. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Holy shit. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Holy cow, that is so bright. It looks so good on my skin. Oh my god, I kind of emphasize my texture a little bit, but I mean, all highlighters do that. That really does emphasize my texture though. Oh shit. Cast? There's no cast either. This isn't even a highlighter, but oh my gosh. It looks so good on the highlighter. Alright, so for eyeshadows, I'm going to use the Gerard Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals Eyeshadow Palette. And here is what she looks like. The half top are mattes, and then the bottom are shimmers and metallics. Alright, so I'm going to grab this neutral shade at the top, and I'm mixing it with a little bit of the white. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that over my eyelids just to set that and create a base. Alright, so I'm going to grab this shade right here, next a little bit off of the white. I'm going to put this in the crease. It's going to be a pretty neutral eyeshadow look. And I'm going to go in with this deep shade right here. Top off my brush and put that right into the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use some concealer. I'm going to go ahead and do a half cut crease. I'm going to use the only brush that I will cut a crease with, the Anastasia 18 brush. And just load up my brush and just going to go ahead and do a half cut crease. Alright, so I'm going to grab this champagne shade from the palette. And I'm going to go ahead and just pop this onto that part I put concealer on. Holy crap. These are so pigmented and so finely milled. These would honestly be perfect for highlighters. Oh my god, you guys, I'm actually really blown away by this palette. This is like drugstore makeup and it's super affordable, but like, damn. Alright, so now the tricky part, I'm going to go ahead and use a gel liner with a brush, and I'm going to go ahead and create an eyeliner that is very big, but also I'm not going to connect it, or I'm not going to fill it in. So this will be very interesting. I'm honestly kind of scared for myself, but yeah, I'm just going to wing it, so... Whoa, I actually did it. Holy shit! Alright guys, so I just went ahead and did the rest of the eyes. I didn't really talk through this. You can guys kind of see what I'm doing. So for lips, gonna go neutral. I'm gonna use 951 by ColourPop, just a liquid lipstick. But you guys, when I'm looking down in the monitor, like I feel so like cunty. I feel so like powerful with this makeup on. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on. Alright, so I'm going to go over it with a gloss. This is the lip gloss by MAC. This is in Bow. And I'm just going to pop this bitch on. MAC's lip gloss is literally so freaking amazing. They're so hydrating. It feels like you're wearing a lip balm. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I am so obsessed with this look. I do not want to take this off. But I hope you guys liked this. Let me know what you guys think. This did take me forever. I'm just like, I'm feeling myself. Can we talk about that wing? Oh my god, that shit is cunty. Oh, that shit is sharp. Oh, I better watch out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hopefully you did, because it took me forever. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and give this video a thumbs up. I already said that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Deuces.